pride. Fruits, veggies, 1, 2, 3. Healthy food for you and me. Colors, shapes, so bright, so fun. Let's eat them one by one. Apple, apple, red and round. Keeps you healthy, safe and sound. Banana, banana, long and sweet. Soft and yummy, such a treat. Orange, orange, juicy delight. Peel and eat, oh what a bite. Grapes, bunches, purple and green. Small and tasty, a munching scene. Mango, mango, summer's king. Sweet and golden, joy it brings. Watermelon, big and tall. Green outside, red for all. Strawberry, strawberry, tiny red heart. Tasty fruit that plays its part. Pineapple, spiky, outside tough. Inside juicy, can't get enough. Papaya, orange, soft inside. Eat it fresh with joy and pride. Fruits, veggies, 1, 2, 3. Healthy food for you and me. Colors, shapes, so bright, so fun. Let's eat them one by one. Carrot, carrot, orange and long. Crunch it raw or cook it strong. Tomato, tomato, shiny red ball. In salad, soup, you'll love them all. Potato, potato, hidden down deep. French fries, mash or chips to keep. Onion, onion, makes us cry. Buddy curry, oh my. Peas in a pot, tiny and green. Little pearls with a shiny sheen. Cabbage, cabbage, leafy ball. Shred it up, it's good for all. Spinach, spinach, strong and bright. Makes you healthy, full of might. Broccoli looks like mini trees. Eat them steamed, if you please. Cauliflower white, soft and round. Nutritious power, it has found. Fruits, veggies, 1, 2, 3. Healthy food for you and me. Colors, shapes, so bright, so fun. Let's eat them one by one. Apple gets with the carrot tall. Banana slips and starts to fall. Tomato laughs with watermelon wide. Veggies and fruits play side by side. Mango sings with broccoli green. Funniest pair you've ever seen. Potato rolls, catch me if you can. Orange says I'll be your fan. Novel ballerine with seeds so small. Healthy snack to share with all. Peaches fuzzy, soft and sweet. Tasty bite, what a treat. Chili is spicy, burning hot. Eat just little, not a lot. Cucumber fresh, cool and long. Summer snack, it can't go wrong. Beetroot purple, deep in shade. Juice from it is freshly made. Pumpkin orange, big and round. In the garden, it is found. Fruits, veggies, 1, 2, 3. Healthy food for you and me. Colors, shapes, so bright, so fun. Let's eat them one by one. Fruits and veggies, colors bright. Eat them morning, noon and night. Strong and healthy, smart will be. Nature's gift for you and me. Our fruits ends with they are good. They are good for me and you.